Updated Yamaha Tenere 700 skid plate here now. Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have the skid plate itself. We have the linkage guard. And then we have 7 6 by 20 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts. 3 of them don't come with any washers and nylock nuts. 4 of them do. We also have 1 6 by 25 tapered Allen bolt. So the ones with the washers and the nylock nuts, they secure the linkage guard. Okay, so put this on before you begin to install the skid plate. The tools we're going to be using: 10 millimeter wrench or spanner, ratchet, and a 4 millimeter Allen socket, or you can use an Allen key if that's what you have. Also, don't forget to use medium strength blue Loctite.
The whole problem.
Okay, now we're ready to install the skid plate. We're going to have to line up one of the mounting points. We're going to start with the front one. Just one side note: save the 6 by 25 millimeter long bolt for the right front side. So here it's a 6 by 20. Turn it a couple of times. Like so. Now the 6 by 25 millimeter long bolt. A couple of times. Don't forget to apply medium strength blue Loctite. Now the rear one. And finally the lower rear. Like so. Okay, now you can go ahead and gradually tighten all the bolts. Turn the bolts a few times, hop over to the next bolt, and repeat again. So the recommended torque specs for the 6 millimeter diameter bolts is 10 Newton meter. But we also suggest that you go out for a test ride, and after a test ride, double check all these bolts and the nuts once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortech.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.